Hi guys, in this video I'm going to quickly teach you how can you find closed DMs on Discord PC. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So once you're here, all you have to do guys is when you've accidentally closed a DM, so all you have to do is go on over and search their names here. You have to know guys their name. So for example, we right click this and close the DM here. You can then search them again here. So that name is Joy. And as you can see, we've now got back that conversation as is. So you can do that also on other groups here or other sections here, there, and there guys. So there guys, this is just an easy tutorial. That is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.